Good morning, students. Welcome to Grobic School online classes. I'm your science teacher, Yasmin Ma'am. In my previous class, I have began with a new chapter, Keeping Safe. As you know, to avoid accidents, we should be very careful and alert. We should always follow some safety rules everywhere. We think that our home is the safest place. Nothing can happen in our home. But it's wrong. Accidents can occur anywhere. So, to avoid those accidents, you should take some precautions. Okay? And that should be, you should be very careful and alert in the kitchen. You should be careful in the bathroom. You should be careful in at other places also. Fine. And of course, outside the home, you should be more careful. These are the topics I covered in my last class. Today I'm going to start with first aid. What is first aid? The immediate help given to the injured person is known as first aid. Okay, जो इंजर्ड हो जाता है कोई भी और हम उसको फौरन इमीडिएट हेल्प देते हैं डॉक्टर की जाने से पहले उसे फर्स्ट एड कहते हैं. ओके. The main aim behind providing first aid to an injured is to avoid any complications that may arise and thus save his life. Okay, students? So now let's see. Uh, just to be careful, first we should take the following first aid tips, okay, for small cuts and wounds. Before treating a patient who is injured, who has a cut, okay, you should first wash your hands properly. Okay, then clean the wound with antiseptic solution. आपको अपने हाथ धोने चाहिए पहले, उसके बाद उस पेशेंट को ट्रीट करना चाहिए जिसको चोट लगी है. ओके. And you should clean that particular area where the person is wounded with an antiseptic solution. For a minor cut, put the adhesive bandage. स्मॉल बैंडेज आती है ना, अगर छोटा सा कट लगा है तो आपको एक छोटी सी बैंडेज लगानी होती है. बट इफ अ पर्सन इज बैडली हर्ट, make the person lie down with the wounded part slightly elevated. Wrap some ice cubes in a towel and put it on the wound to stop bleeding. Then you call the doctor immediately. किसी को अगर ज्यादा चोट लगी है, बहुत ज्यादा ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, उसको पहले लिटा दीजिए. ओके. थोड़ा सा जो जिस पार्ट में चोट लगी है उसका वो पार्ट थोड़ा टिल्टेड करिए और टॉवल में आइस क्यूब्स रख के उस सोलन पार्ट पे उसकी यू हैव टू जस्ट पुट दैट ice cubes in a towel and put it on that wounded area so that the bleeding stops. Okay. And these are the precautions for cuts and wounds. Now let's see the next. Tips for buns. If you are in kitchen, mama is cooking something and you just go and enter the kitchen and touch something which you don't know that that's very hot. Okay, some utensil is there which is hot. आपने touch कर दिया है. What will happen? Your skin will burn. Okay, so what you should do? You should immediately put your hand in cold water. Hand means the burnt area, the area where you have got the burn. Okay, you should put it in cold water. Then you should apply antiseptic cream or calamine lotion on that particular burnt area. Do not bandage. कभी भी कुछ जल जाता है हाथ हमारा या पैर कहीं से जल जाता है, उसको ठंडे पानी में डालिए और फिर कैलामाइन लोशन उस एरिया पे लगाइए. बिल्कुल भी बैंडेज नहीं करनी है. बर्न्स, कट्स और वुंड्स पे हम बैंडेज करते हैं लेकिन बर्न्स पे बैंडेज नहीं करते हैं. सो डू नॉट बैंडेज दैट बर्न्ट एरिया. ओके. नाउ how will you treat insect bites? Children, these days though, like mosquitoes are there and they bite. right? So how you should treat those? There is a, in case of a bee or wasp sting, apply calamine lotion on the affected area. कभी कभी कोई, अगर आपको कोई वास्प काट लेता है तो वो एरिया स्वेल्ड हो जाता है, सोलन हो जाता है, सूज जाता है। क्या करना चाहिए? अगर उसमें उस वास्प का स्टिंग रह गया है, यू हैव टू टेक आउट द स्टिंगर, खींच के वो चीज निकालनी होती है पहले। ओके, देन ट्रीट लोकल रिएक्शंस, वॉच क्लोजली फॉर साइंस ऑफ एनाफिलैक्सिस। ठीक है, स्वेलिंग अगर ज्यादा आ जाती है, it takes 1 or 2 days to for the swelling to disappear. Okay, but if that stinger is inside and you're not able to remove that stinger, then it becomes dangerous. You have to contact the doctor. But the common thing is that you should apply some calamine lotion, and that swelling goes off in 2 or 3 days. This is how you should take safe precautions when an insect bites. Okay, first aid and tips for fainting. Now, listen, children. Sometimes, if a person faints, बेहोश हो जाता है, then immediately make him lie down with his head lower than the body to increase the supply of blood to the brain. Do not crowd around him. Allow inflow of fresh air and call the doctor immediately. What do you have to do? You have to cushion the person's head. उसका सर नीचे रखिए। ओके, क्लॉथिंग जो उसने पहनी है उसको थोड़ा सा लूजन करिए, मीन्स लूज कर दीजिए, और उसको स्ट्रेट लिटा दीजिए। फाइन, इससे क्या होगा? उसका जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है ब्रेन में, ओके, वो ब्रेन तक जाएगा और क्लियर करेगा, उसको होश मिल जाएगा। सो दीज आर द फर्स्ट एड टिप्स वी हैव टू फॉलो। Okay, we have to take precautions, remember all these things. Okay, and be safe. Thank you so much.